This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Adrienne Downing. Be home in time for the holidays in this nicely updated ranch in popular Ocean Lakes. The open floor plan lives large with cathedral ceilings, plenty of storage space in the white shaker cabinets, spacious bedrooms, and the oversized 2-car garage. Convenient to Red Mill shopping and dining, Oceana and Dam Neck bases, and a short drive to Sandbridge Beach. No HOA fees. For more information, review the details below or contact Adrienne Downing at 757-499-0124.